In today's demonstration, you will see how you can use NetSuite's powerful financial management functionality to add greater efficiency to your day-to-day tasks. We will show how controllers, accounts receivables analysts, and accounts payable analysts alike all can use NetSuite to complete key tasks more efficiently. You will see how you can use the NetSuite finance and accounting tools in order to improve visibility throughout the business and provide actionable insight into financial performance. We will also show how we can improve the time taken to collect on accounts receivable, reduce the days sales outstanding, reduce the time to close the books, increase accounting staff productivity, and finally lead to increased revenue and improved gross margins. Here are some of the most common challenges. The collections process is often manual and can impact cash flow. A lack of controls or approvals on sales and purchasing can hinder decision-making. Invoicing customers is often a manual process. Customers must call in for billing information or to make a payment. It takes too long to close the books at the period end or the year end. Producing regular reports is a manual, time-consuming process that often requires Excel. And a lack of real-time visibility into finances can often slow down decision-making efforts. The NetSuite solution will help to tackle those challenges by providing you with a single cloud-based solution to monitor all areas of the business in real time. Through automated collections, invoicing, approval workflows, and beyond, NetSuite will help to speed up the period close process and give you access to accurate reports by up to the second numbers. NetSuite is the first true cloud-based solution built from the ground up. With NetSuite, users can get access from anywhere, including mobile devices. Because NetSuite uses role-based access and permissions, your assigned role will determine both what you are allowed to see and edit in the system, as well as organize the information that is most important to you on your dashboard. This means that you can efficiently see the most important information that you require to act quickly and decisively within your role. You are the controller at Alpha Distribution. Your personalized dashboard shows you key performance indicators that you need to make informed decisions quickly and proactively. This enables you to stay on top of your business and ahead of the competition. You're also being sent real-time reminders. These alerts about daily business tasks are being provided directly to your dashboard so that the controller can stay on top of activities such as invoices that are overdue, checks that need to be printed, bills that need to be paid, and beyond. The Financials portlet on your dashboard is giving you visibility into key areas of the business that are most important to you. For example, we can analyze changes in cost of goods sold today compared to this week, compared to this month. You can also take reports in the system and produce a snapshot of them onto your dashboard. Each time you log in, you will see a visual of that report, and that way you can keep an eye on the reports that are most important to you. You'll also have access to a series of tabs, such as the Suite View tab. The Suite View tab groups together important information for each role. So here we are getting accounting and key performance scorecards that are giving us key accounting metrics and reports, all located on this one easy-to-use dashboard. From the customer dashboard, you can quickly look up customers, access customer and sales reports, view new customer trends, and view key customers with credit cards that are expiring soon. With vendor performance data at your fingertips, NetSuite allows you to investigate problems with vendors. We can help you to quickly analyze trends in late purchase orders, fill rates, and vendor returns. The Receivables Dashboard is the single place for you to handle all the AR activities within the business. You can easily bill sales orders, deposit payments, or take note of invoices that are overdue and take action. You'll find you'll have the same type of access for the payable side of the business from the AP dashboard. You can group together payables, expenses, returns, and more on this one screen to make the controller's day-to-day activities as streamlined as possible. Back on our home dashboard, let's take a look at our sales for this month. With one click, we have now accessed a report for our sales for this month. But not only can we see the grand totals, we can drill into the details and find the root causes behind those totals. Here you have very quickly gone from your high-level dashboard view into the details on one specific invoice in just a few clicks. This provides you with the ability to quickly analyze performance and make decisions. You just viewed a report from your dashboard, but there are many other reports built into NetSuite, which you may want to inspect as well. But now, let's take a look at this customer to check their financial information. From this customer record, we can start to take a look at some insights into the financial aspects of the customer. Here you can see that a customer can be extended a credit limit. If they are overbalanced or past due by too many days, we can place them on a credit hold so that no orders will be processed against this customer until they've paid. We can also set customer-specific price levels. You can see here that this customer is receiving a 10% discount level. We can even do item group pricing or item-specific pricing. NetSuite is PCI compliant, so we can store credit cards on file to make for a quick and efficient checkout and payment process. We can also take a look at overdue balances directly from the customer record, as well as highlight any AR aging, such as 1 to 30 days or 31 to 60 days aging. You can see that all of the customer's financial information lives in one easy-to-view spot. Now let's take a look at those many reports that we discussed and show how NetSuite provides a powerful reporting tool that allows you to change each report to meet your requirements. NetSuite offers 200 reports out of the box, and each one can be customized. Let's take the Customer Profitability report. We can customize this report to make it display the information that is most important for us to see. Let's take a look. As we customize this report, we can add whatever columns or fields are important to us. Let's take company size as an example. As we grab the company size field, it pulls it onto the report generator. You can adjust the column, and you can even group columns together. As we preview the report, you'll now notice the report is broken out by company size rather than as a total. We can also change date ranges to display the report that is most beneficial for us to see at that particular point in time. Now that we've taken a look at NetSuite from the perspective of a controller, we will now assume the role of an AR analyst to talk about invoicing customers and accepting payments. From my AR Analyst dashboard, I have many links to the reminders that are most important for me, such as sales orders to bill. We can quickly and easily invoice customers from this screen. Not only can we extend the invoice and produce a version of the invoice that we would like to extend to our customers, but we can also quickly and easily accept payments directly from that invoice record. We can apply a payment to multiple invoices, and we can choose the payment method that is most applicable to us. Here you can see that we have a card saved on file for this particular customer, but we will use a check. You can see here that this customer's payment has now been deposited. Now let's assume the role of our accounts payable analyst. As we take on the role of the accounts payable analyst, you'll notice that my reminders look a bit different, and we're having a notification about purchase orders to be billed. You can see here that we have multiple purchase orders for Google out there to be invoiced. Let's bill this purchase order. And as we do so, let's change the rate on one of the items. By $30. As we save that bill, you'll notice that the bill is set to pending approval because of that three-way match violation where we just increased the rate by $30. As we click the Bill Exception button, we can see the exact reason that the vendor bill was not approved. The final step would be that our controller would receive a reminder that they had a bill to approve. You can see here that we're getting notifications about the bill exceptions, and we can tell NetSuite whether or not we would like to approve them. As you have seen in this demonstration, you can use the NetSuite financial and accounting solution in order to better drive personal information and decision-making efforts, increase visibility into the state of the business, improved collections on receivables, reduce days sales outstanding, reduce time needed to close the books, improve your staff productivity, and achieve better financial performance, including increased revenue and gross margins.